Hey guys, how you going? Mr. Matador here. Haven't been on for a while. We got the old mascot over the back here. We've all seen Jigsaw Jerky, and a lot of people have had a few bits here and there, and you know, and it's burnt the crap out of everyone. So it was unopened, but it is now, and I'm going to try and eat the whole bag, just because I can. So all right, well, no time like the present. We got a bowl full of Jigsaw Jerky, 75 grams. So I might as well start one piece at a time and just keep on going. That was a tiny bit of jigsaw. The flavour and the texture is so good of Budgies Jerky. It's just always so consistent and not too dry, not too moist. Hey, Mickey, mate. Burn's starting to kick in, obviously. I do need to just keep chewing the same pieces so that I do extract most of the flavour and stuff out of it. Hey, Charm, how you going? So yeah, I'm going the whole bag of Jigsaw Jerky. Yeah, the old bullhead. My mate Dion did that for us. Tell you what, this Jigsaw Jerky is starting to liven me up now. Lisa and I will be doing a sauce or two review, and maybe even among a couple of pods a bit later on this afternoon. Nope, we got people talking in the background. That Jigsaw Jerky is so nice, but so hot. Wow. So for those that haven't actually seen Jigsaw Jerky, the texture, the thickness. See if I can find a bit that's got jigsaw on it. No, can't find a bit. I've got a couple little bits here. Bits of jigsaw. Ooh. Hey, Tony, mate. Glad to see you here. Oh, no, what happened? Oh, I thought it bloody broke. Oh, wow. I think I'm only about 4 bits in, but 3 bits in. Oh, nose is certainly starting to run now. No, Enos. This is Budgies Jerky. Oh, what's the go with the lighting? So, Budgies Jerky from Tony Burridge. This jerky is. It's a lot hotter than the Matador jerky that I made. Excuse me, guys. The old nose is running. My mouth's absolutely burning on top of my tongue. Wow. But the flavour is so good. So yeah, we've got the old Matador skull over the back here now. it is going to get a Chili Matadors logo and sticker on it, or at least Chili Matadors sticker on it over the top, but we're yet to get that made. Wow. Getting me back to the throat now. I'm feeling my eyes starting to water. Because I haven't been reviewing much lately, I do reckon my tolerance has lowered. It's not as high as it was a month or so ago. Absolutely amazing flavour, this jigsaw jerky. Have to be my favourite. So I made sure I tipped it all in a bowl. So there's no fibbing, no lying, no bull crap. And I'm going to sit here until the bowl is empty on jigsaw jerky. Because I'm Insano Wayno. Hey, Rach. So hi to everyone that's joined and watching. Yeah, Tony, above the on top of the skull is where the sticker's going. Yeah. Hey, Sammy. Wow. Look, we got a which side? That side. Cat photo bombing. Oh, look at this chunk of jigsaw. You can see it. You can see it on it. Due to poor wireless connection, this video has been paused. Consider moving for a better signal. Are we still on, guys? Are we still happening? Are we still on? Right, it's trying to reconnect.
You gotta be careful not to touch that cord.
Am I still there, guys? Yep. Hey, Breezy. The wireless is saying it's a poor connection. Consider moving it to find a better signal. Or you can end broadcast. Well, I don't want to end broadcast. I want to keep watching. I want to keep going. Oh. Woo. Everyone's saying I'm still here. So I'm feeling my eyes starting to get pink eye like a Robert Webb disease. Wow. Certainly liven me up. Yeah, keep munging charm. Yep. That's what I reckon. It's just one consistent burn now, so it doesn't matter. If I keep munging, you know, this has burnt the absolute crap out of lots of people. And we've all seen that. And I've been going to do this for a couple of weeks now. Get on and just do the whole bag of jigsaw jerky just to blow everyone out of the water. Why not? Insano Wayno. Right? Got my shirt on. And look, it's Budgies Jerky. And we got Farm Strong this side. Ooh. It's so nice, this jerky. It's unbelievable. It doesn't matter whether it's a non-hot one, mild, hot, extra hot, matador hot, jigsaw hot. Tony's got the consistency down pat. And every flavour is good. So I honestly can't pick a favourite flavour. Sorry guys, I got a... Oh, my nose is running like a tap now. Face is red and a bit shiny, yeah, Tony. Oh, thanks, Don. Get me some paper towel. Excuse me, I had a burp. Yeah, I'm nuts, Bree. You already knew that. The old computer keeps telling me it's still trying to reconnect. So we've still got a few pieces left. But I don't want to just chew and swallow. I need to try and extract all the flavour out of it and the burn, so that this at least is a good review. Oh, look at my eyes! Wow, getting a bit of a glow up. Yeah. I can't even see how many are on watching because the computer's still trying to reconnect.
Flip.
Get the man a cold drink. I've got JD here. Let me workout sippy cup, Mass Nutrition. I've got a drink, but I'm the matador. I don't have drinks and eat anything when I'm eating hot food until it's completely subsided. Because eating's cheating. Or drinking. Yeah, wow. Top of the tongue. Oh, look at this piece. Such a nice piece. My nose is going again. I don't think I could run fast enough to catch it because it's running. Dad joke. Whew. I must say, absolutely amazing, guys. Once again, look, little piece of jigsaw chili itself. I'll mung out. No softies now. Hey, Robert, mate, I've got your disease happening, hey? I've got pink eye. I'm doing a whole bag of jigsaw jerky. Hey, Luke, mate, you're on too, I see. Oh, that's so nice, but so freaking hot. So yeah, Lisa and I have had a bit of a break from reviewing. Lisa's been sick. We've had a lot going on, but we're going to get back into doing some reviews. Still got Wiltshire sauces and jams to review. Fire and Lime Gourmet chilies. Still got a few from Major and Zaccaro to review. I'm not sure what else we got there. Oh, I tell you. Yeah, Paul. It is lovely stuff, mate. I'm doing the whole bag. And I've only got a couple of bits left. Yeah, man, it's hot. I reckon a lot of my tolerance has gone down because I haven't been reviewing much. But there was, I don't know, some sort of challenge out there to eat 3 pieces of this and sit for 5 minutes. Well, I just thought, well, why not just blow any sort of jigsaw jerky challenge out of the water? Because I'm Insano Wayno and I enjoy it. 3 bits left, guys. Such a nice flavour and easy to chew. Even the back of my head now is starting to sweat. I feel it starting to run and itch. Yeah, I'm in trouble, Robert, if I got the pink eye. So if you've only just joined, hi to everyone. I've almost finished a whole bag of jigsaw jerky from Budgies Jerky, Tony Burridge. Amazing flavour, absolute killer burn. Oh, it's so yummy. Just in time for pink eye, Nick. Pink eye's been happening a while now, mate. Excuse me, I do it. This bloody computer keeps trying to tell me it's trying to reconnect. The wireless connection's poor, so I can't even see how many people are on. I can see comments. Excuse me. Obviously, I'm still going. All right, guys, I'm down to my last bit. Here's the bowl. I'll even scrape up all the little scrappy bits. All right, guys. Last bit, and that's how you eat jigsaw jerky. Wow. That was Absolutely amazing flavour. But I tell you what, I reckon I got that chili high kicking in. Bit lightheaded and absolutely loving it, guys. All right. So what next? That certainly livened me up. That's one way to get back into reviewing, isn't it? Hey, after having a bit of time off. Whole bag of Jigsaw. Done and dusted, guys. So, do I need to sit for my 5-minute grace period, or what do you reckon? I've been chewing on it long enough to, I don't think I really need to a grace period, but, you know. It's obviously not going to get any hotter. So, all right, guys. Lisa and I are going to organise something else to review in a little while. Once kids and everything are all settled. They've only just come home from their dads, so making sure they're settled, and going to cook some tucker on the barbie. Obviously, we love our barbies. So, all right, guys. Well, love yous and leave yous, and that's the full bag of Jigsaw Jerky review from Budgies Jigsaw. So, all right, Matador's out, guys.